At exactly, what was it, 2:45 p.m., about 34 minutes ago, the Dow was at 60 points to the upside. It's up 352 right now in just over half an hour. High of the session, a gain of about 397 points. Remember, yesterday we lost 459. So we've almost erased nearly all of the losses yesterday. But if you look at really what's I guess putting a halo of excitement over the markets today, you've got to say that it's because investors have hit the play button on the Spotify direct listing today. So far, they like the playlist. You can see it right now. It is spiking $18. It had spiked $33 just as the stock started trading this afternoon. Well, right now you can see it's moderated just a bit, still up 13%. The price right now is $150.41. Look at the trading volume, 26.8 million shares. It's going to go higher before this day is through. 40 minutes left before the closing bell rings. Let's bring in a company called EquityZen. The CEO, Atish Davda, worked with Spotify prior to its listing. Atish, what did Spotify gain by doing this way, aside from a really good IPO day and a very tense time for the markets?
Well, it helps that they decided to go public the day after a big drop in the Dow and the markets in general. And so you see that they benefit a little bit from the rebound as well. But Spotify has decided to take a different approach to going public, the direct public offering instead of the initial public offering. And by doing that, they've saved on a tremendous amount of dilution. Typically in an IPO, you see up to a 20% of the company being sold. And that means that when you were $20 billion, that's $4 billion that you would have had to sell shares for in exchange for raising capital. Spotify's got almost $500 million of cash. It doesn't need the cash. And so it says, you know what? I'm not going to take the dilution.
Yeah, they took the existing shares that everyone from employees to founders to private accredited investors have, put them out there to find a price on the market, and people like the price right now. It's been hovering around $150, $151. What was your role? That you've been with the company, you've focused on them, you've advised them, you've dealt with shares, correct?
That's right. Spotify has been one of our over 100 partner companies that we work with at EquityZen. And basically what EquityZen does is that we're a company-approved platform to conduct these private transfers while the company is not yet public. For the last 3 years, we've helped Spotify conduct these liquidity programs and, in effect, getting over 200 investors, accredited, qualified investors.
Okay, accredited. How much money do you really have to be worth to be an accredited investor?
Yeah, so there are regulatory rules on this, and you basically have to have at least $200,000 a year in income or more, or over $1 million, not counting the value of your house, in investable assets.
They go to you and you say, okay, there's a private company called Spotify we really like, and we want shares in that. Do you have it? And then you are a matchmaker, correct?
That's right. They say our whole family is listening to music on Spotify. We believe in the company. We'd like to invest. And we tried to invest, but they said, hey, we're a private company. So they come to EquityZen, and they can purchase shares from an existing shareholder.
I bet the banks hate you. They've been, on balance, left out of this. I'm talking about the investment banks. Have you heard from them? And do you think more companies, more unicorns, are going to be following this model?
You know, we work with banks. I wouldn't say, I wouldn't say that we're competitive to each other. In fact, I would say that if banks are like Bergdorf Goodman, then EquityZen is like Bloomingdale's meets Amazon. You know, we work not at the very largest deals. We like to conduct standardized, frequent, small deals. But by doing that, we can conduct transactions very, very quickly. Even though these are complicated private placement transactions, we're able to conduct them with a lot of ease.
It's like being invited to a pre-sale at Manolo Blahnik Shoes. Everybody, if you're worth if you make $200,000 or more and you're worth $1 million, call Atish. The company's called EquityZen. I think this is interesting, and I disagree. I think the banks are not happy. I think they wish that this model would just go away so they could continue making their millions.
We're happy to work with them, Liz.
Good to see you. Thank you very much.